Welcome to Papeete, the vibrant capital of Tahiti. This tropical gem in French Polynesia is bursting with natural beauty, from dramatic waterfalls to peaceful beaches and breathtaking ocean views. In today's adventure, we're exploring some of the island's hidden treasures: the lighthouse, the waterfalls, and of course, the stunning beaches that make Tahiti pure paradise. Hi everyone, we are Mitch and Stephanie, and today we're diving into the heart of Papeete. Let's go explore. Our first stop, the Pointe Venus Lighthouse, or Phare de la Pointe Venus. This historic landmark was built in the 1860s and stands proudly where Captain Cook first landed in Tahiti. The view from here is incredible. You can see the coral reefs stretching far into the ocean and locals relaxing along the black sand beach nearby. Fun fact, the lighthouse was named after the planet Venus because it was the site of the 1769 astronomical observation of the transit of Venus. History and paradise, all in one place. Next up, we're heading inland to explore Les Trois Cascades, or the three waterfalls of Farumae. Just a short drive from Papeete, this area is pure tropical magic. Once you arrive, it's like stepping into another world. Towering cliffs, dense vegetation, and crystal clear water cascading down from the mountains. The first waterfall is just a few minutes from the parking area, but if you're up for a short hike, the second and third are even more spectacular. It's a peaceful escape from the city and a reminder of Tahiti's untamed natural beauty. Just remember to bring insect repellent, good shoes, and your camera. You'll want to capture every second. After exploring the jungle, it's time to relax by the water. Tahiti isn't known for endless white sands like Bora Bora, but it has its own charm, especially at Lafayette Beach. A stretch of beautiful black volcanic sand framed by lush greenery. The sand gets warm under your feet. The water is calm and clear, and locals come here for picnics or to surf the small waves. You can see why Papeete is more than just a stopover. It's a destination on its own. From the historic Pointe Venus Lighthouse, to the refreshing waterfalls of Farumae, to the peaceful shores of Lafayette Beach, Papeete truly captures the spirit of Tahiti. It's a place where adventure and tranquility meet. If you ever find yourself in French Polynesia, don't skip Papeete. Explore it, feel it, and let it surprise you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more island adventures. Until next time, Maruru Roa, and see you in paradise.